Alright, so almost done. Now I just gotta put this on and then double check all my work, but it's back on. And you can barely see that bracket. It's kind of like right there, but it was really hard to see. And it was really hard to get to, and honestly, in order to get to it, you have to take this hose off, and the bracket's right back here. It's real close. Take that off, then you can get to that back, that one black bracket back there. And then after that, you just take everything else off. Well, you take a couple things. You'll take this off, that connector, and all the other bolts, obviously. And I just replaced this vacuum line. I replaced another one on the other side too. It had cracks. I cleaned my throttle body since it's already open. Hoses are back on. These hoses need to come off. So, but yeah, big shout out to Made in Texas. He always helps me along the way through all my problems, especially, well, my car problems too. Even just a bunch of advice, but that's beside the point. But shout out to Made in Texas. He's always helped me out. He's a true friend. Always been there for me through thick and thin. Any question I have, if you don't have the answer for it, we'll figure it out. So shout out to him, and well, thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to give you a little beware of that 12 millimeter bolt in the back of the intake. I mean, it was just a pain to look for. But you guys have a good day, and I'll do some more videos if I ever have any more problems. Later, guys.